Hello there, Trading Nation. It is 12:51 p.m. on August 23rd, 2019, and I think I've found something here that just took place that is going to result in the second trade in the Robinhood account for the 100 to 1,000 challenge. Huge move today on silver. It's up 1.98%. So I'm going to try to find a put. Just kind of a long shot to try to play maybe a reversion back to the mean or kind of some of the retracement of this move, because silver's kind of getting at some pretty high levels here. So it's just my gut that we might get a chance for this to pull back a little bit. So let's see. We don't want them. That's 7 days. So August 30th, we want to buy a put. And we're looking for something fairly cheap because we don't want to lose too much money. 16 put. That should move pretty well. Only got to come back a little bit. Percentage change. It moved 50% today. So let's try to buy one of these for $11. 16 put expiring next week for 11 cents. I have $48 available. Let's continue. And we want 1, 11, good for day. Review order, $11. Let's see what we get. Purchased. We got filled. Perfect. So we now have our second. Let's go to account portfolio. So we are down $12 because of the spread on that our first trade there, and then we have 48 left, which is kind of a little bit different. So let's go to account. All right, here we go. $37. We have $37 in cash, $51 in stocks and options. Can we click on this? It appears we cannot. All right, there we go. And there we go. There's a second trade in the Robinhood account. Probably pushing a little hard, but we'll see what happens. Just took a short position with a put option on SLV August 23rd, 2019. Till next time. See ya.